Spocket tutorial for beginners, how to do dropshipping with Spocket. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping using Spocket.co. It is going to be easy and I'm going to show you a step-by-step process. I'm going to show you all the details that you need to know about the specific thing and the specific platform. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is basically a method of business where you make money. What you do is basically you find products in less rates and then you sell them on your own store in higher rates, and the profit that you make, the profit margin between those two products, is basically the money that you make through the whole process. So in drop shipping, the twist is that you don't have to actually buy those products until they are required. So you basically list them onto your Shopify store, your Wix store, WordPress store, whatever you have. You basically list them, and whenever a person makes a purchase, then you make a purchase through the platform where you actually got it from, and then you ship them directly to the person and to the place where it is required to your client. So you don't have to have a big warehouse, you don't have to buy the products beforehand, or you don't even have to invest any kind of money into that, because whenever the person makes a purchase, whenever they pay, then you make the purchase and then you buy the product, and hence you make the profit. So it is a very easy, and it is also a very commonly used business model these days, and a lot of people are making a lot of money through that. So what are some things that you need to know about, and how you can use Pocket into all that? So Spocket is a very good platform where you can start dropshipping, discover dropshipping suppliers of original US and Europe products. So as you can see, these are the integrations. You can basically link your Spocket to Shopify, AliExpress, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Alibaba, eBay, all of these platforms, and you can integrate both platforms. You can have a Shopify store and you can add your Spocket products into your Shopify store, and you can directly start dropshipping from there. So you have your dropshipping list, you have your trending, bath and beauty, and all these categories are available for the products that you want. Then you have your partnership, you have suppliers, affiliates, and top partners, and you have your winning products and resources and pricing. So what you need to do is you have to basically click on this option right here to get started, and you can get started. You have to provide an email address, and then you can also start up with your Google account that you already have, and you can just log in and sign up with that, and you'll be good to go. So let me show you their pricing plans. As you can see, you can also start dropshipping for free. You have this plan has a 24/7 chat support and AliExpress dropshipping. Then there's a starter plan which has 25 unique products. They have email support, they have 24/7 chat support, and AliExpress dropshipping. They also have a $49 per month maximizes sales. This plan does have a 250 unique products. It has 25 premium products, branded invoicing, and 24/7 chat support. In the Empire package, it manages sales at scale. It is for $99 per month, and as you can see, it has 10,000 unique products and 10,000 premium products, branded invoicing, 24/7 chat support, AliExpress dropshipping, supplier communication, and image search. So these are all the things, basically all the plans that are available on Spocket. I'm just going to go on with the free plan right now, so that I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping without investing one penny of money. So let's go to their main homepage. So after logging in, this is your dashboard. This is gonna be your dashboard. What you need to do is you're basically going to find a product that you need to sell. So as you can see here, this is initial birthstone necklace. So this is the necklace that you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell a necklace. So now you can see here you have two costs. One is a listing cost and other is the retail price. So the listing cost is basically the price that you are going to buy the product from on, and then you have a retail price. It is the price that you can sell the product on. So you're going to buy it for $21, and then you are going to sell it for, let's say, retail price is going to be $43. So the margin is basically $20. From these $20, you need to exclude the shipping fees, which is $7.50, and you also need to add $2 for taxes and different things. You need to keep that margin. So after excluding all of that, you are left with, let's say, a clean $10. So if you make $10 upon the purchase purchase of every purchase of this specific necklace, you're going to make a lot of money, because let's say you make 10 purchases a day, you make $10 each purchase, so you're going to make $100 per day. And if you ongoing for a month, you're going to have a $30,000 in a month, which is like huge amount of money. So this is how basically you make money on a Spocket. So what first of all, what you need to do is you need to find the product. In finding the product, you need to do some market research. Like for example, let's say I'm going to buy a sweater. Okay, so before finding the right product, you need to basically do the market research. For that, you need to choose a product that you have knowledge in. Like if you're a female, like female related products, their apparel, the bath and beauty, their like kitchen stuff, and all of these accessories and everything. So I'm going to, if I start with one of those things, I will perform better in that specific business. So for that, for example, I choose today I want to sell a sweater. So if you search sweater on Spocket, you can get you are going to get different things. So all of these sweaters right here, you can see they are ranging from $35 to $50 something. So let's say I like this sweater right here. It is for $31 and $50, and you can see it is very stylish and it is really good. It looks really pretty. So let's say I want to basically drop ship this specific sweater. So the retail price of this sweater is $44, and the shipping is going to be $8.50. So if I exclude the shipping, I don't get a lot of profit on this specific one, because the profit margin is like $4 to $5. So let's say I want to find something in which profit margin is higher, like this one. This is a George sweater, and it is, the listing cost is $12 and retail price is $32. So this is good, this is a good profit margin. Shipping is also $650, and the shipping time is also 1 to 3 days. If you find something which offers you free shipping, then you are basically in a very good luck. You can all sell that. It is going to be really great. But if you don't, then spending some like $650 on shipment is not too much, because the profit margin is still good. So the same thing that you can do is you can go on to any other platform like Daraz or AliExpress, or you can go to Walmart or something, and you can search for the same product on that. Like for example, I came onto AliExpress and I searched for sweaters. So here I can see I can cross match the prices of sweaters on here and sweaters on there, because if all of your sweaters, if different sweaters are provided on AliExpress for the lesser price, then no one is actually going to buy your sweater from Spocket or buy your sweater from your own store, because they can just go on to AliExpress and they can buy it in less. So as you can see here, this sweater right here, it is for 227 PKR. So if converted to dollars, it's going to be around $250 or something like that. So it is very cheap as compared to the one that I'm selling, which is going to be about $32 in retail price. So you have to find the product which gives you a good profit margin, which is also very economical and is not something that people won't be interested in buying because it is expensive. As you can see, all the sweaters on Spocket are very expensive, like they are $36, $18. Okay, I found something which is for $18. So you can basically sell something like this. The shipment is basically for $499, and 1 to 3 days it will take. So this is a very good option. You can just open this specific one from here. Let's say I want to spend this, because $18 for a sweater is not too much. I can also sell it for $30 or something, and I'll be good to go. So if I want to sell this specific item, it comes in two colors. It is in black and it is in maroon. Okay, it also comes in white, black, and maroon. Okay, good to go. So this is basically the product. It is a casual crew neck sweater, trendy women street fashion, and the processing time is 1 to 2 business days. Shipping time and return policy and everything. You can just click on this option right here, add to import list, and you can add this specific sweater to your import list. After you have done that, what you need to do is you can just import your whole import list into your Shopify store or into your Wix store, whatever you have connected, and you'll be good to go. And from this, how you can start drop shipping. So as you can see, it was very easy and it was very beginner friendly. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Keep watching my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.